How to add another email on iPhone. First is by opening your Settings app and then scroll down until you can see the Mail option right here. Click on Mail, click on Accounts right here, and then there is an Add Account button right here. Make sure to click on Add Account and choose the email that you want or the email app that you want. For example, I'll just choose Yahoo right here. And then make sure to wait for it. And then you may type in your username right here. Click on Next, provide the password that you have, and then it will be added on your iPhone. You may go back and then add another account. For example, I will now choose Outlook right here. Click on that one, wait for it to load, provide your email and then your password. And again, it will be added to your iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can add another email on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.